So today's craft is a bookmark. So what you'll need for this craft is one piece of cardstock that's approximately 2 inches by 5. So here I have 3, but I'll cut 1 just for today's video. You'll need duct tape, and you're gonna cut a strip of it of about 10 inches, a hole puncher, a ruler, some scissors, ribbon, and different colored tape to decorate your bookmark. So first you're gonna take the piece of cardstock. I'm gonna cut one out. Now you'll cut 1 strip of duct tape of whatever color you choose. And this strip is gonna be about 10 inches. So it doesn't have to be exactly 10 inches, but about 10 inches. Okay, now that you have your strip of duct tape, you're gonna take the cardstock paper and put it on one side of the duct tape. Now you're gonna take the remaining piece of duct tape and fold it over. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect if you fold your duct tape and it doesn't fully cover the paper, because you can always trim it at the end, which is what I'm gonna do. Okay, now you're gonna take your bookmark and punch a hole on one of the ends. Now you're gonna take a piece of ribbon. You can cut it whatever length. I do mine at about 7 inches. And now you're gonna fold your ribbon in half and put it through the hole. So before you pull it all the way, you're gonna take the ends of it and put it through the loop so that it ties around your bookmark. Now you're gonna take the decorative piece of tape that you want, so it can be any color, and you're gonna put some bands around the bookmark or style it however, decorate it however you want. And now you have a finished bookmark that you decorated yourself and you can use while reading. Thank you so much for joining us in today's video. These fun duct tape ideas and more can be found in the book 10-Minute Duct Tape Projects that you can check out here at the library. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.